We're back on Belews Lake. It's been raining like crazy, and it might even rain today, but we managed to get out here on a Friday. And I got my, let me back up a little bit. I got the trolling set up. I don't know if you can see, I got a rod there, and all pretty much similar type baits, where they're just deep diving crankbaits. I'm expecting them to probably be around 15 feet. And yeah, we'll see how it goes here. First time, pretty excited. And hopefully it works out. We got another one. Yep, fish on. Got to reel them in a little bit slower, I think, because we're moving. All right, this is so much fun. Oh my God. Nice fish too. Oh my God, I feel like a kid again. There we go. Yeah, we're getting the party started here, guys. Yeah. I'm trolling about 2.6 miles an hour, which seems to be just about right. So yeah, this is going to be fun. If you know, if they keep hitting like this, this is good news for me. All right, let me let that drag out a little bit and see what happens. We got something here. Yeah, I think we got something. It's interesting, they feel a little bit like, oh yeah, that's a fish. It almost feels like dead weight at first, since we're moving already. He's got his head up. We'll reel him in slow here. Might be another white bass. No, it's a little spot. All right, in the boat you go. The little guy. Definitely got a fish on this one. Oh, look at that thing go. Wow. Hopefully that's on camera. This guy's got a little spunk to him. Let's see if we can get him in here. Oh, pretty good size actually. All right. Wow. Good fish there. Recording it. Oh, that's a fish. Unless I hit bottom at 20 feet, but I think it's surfacing. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Almost looks like I snagged him. All right, fish in the boat. Yeah. Oh, another fish. Another fish. Oh, that one feels good. Feels pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't get all tangled up in my other lines. Oh no, double fish. Hopefully the other one stays on. I got a fish on the center pole too. My first double. Yeah, this one's got some weight to it, whatever it is here. And I am going the wrong direction. Oh, look at him go. Okay, let's get that one in. Let's get the center one in. I don't know if he's still on or not. He jumped pretty good. I think he came off. Yep, he came off. That looked like a nice fish too. Okay, let me get this fish off. All right, buddy, hang in there. All right, nice looking fish there. All right. Let me regroup here, I'm all jacked up. Oh crap, another fish. This one feels good too. Yeah, maybe not too big. Probably a 1 pounder. Oh yeah. All right. Fish in the boat. Fish in the boat. I don't know if he's still on or not. Yeah, he's still on. Probably not very big though. Pulling like a little spot. Yeah, that's what it is. A little spot. So much shad in these guys, it's unbelievable. Well, all right. That's the way I like to unhook them. All right, a little guy. I suspect this is a whole ton of grass. A little bit too shallow. Oh no, it's a fish. There's a fish. Not sure what it is. It weighs a ton though. Maybe it's a combination of fish and grass. Well, it's going to surface. It's going to probably get hung up on the line here. Is it below? No, it's got everything. It's got all my lines. Yeah, that's a nice fish. It's got all my lines too. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I thought for sure that was grass. Have to figure out the line situation here, but there we go. That's a nice fish right there. Nice fish. All right, now I'm all jacked up. Let me probably just reel him back in and reset the boat. God, another one. All right, this one feels bigger. Yep. Kind of might need the net for this one. Oh, don't jump. Boy, he's pulling hard. Come on, big girl. Oh, don't come off, don't come off. Don't come off. All right, big girl, we're here, we're here. Oh, yes. Oh man, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. All right. Yeah. Oh. Had a little fish on. I don't know if it's still on or not, but yeah, it's on. Look at this little guy. Ah. All right, let's get you back in the water. I don't know what you're thinking. Fish on. This one feels pretty good too. Oh yeah, very nice fish. Stay on, buddy. Let's get you in the boat. Let's get you in the boat. Let's get you in the boat. Yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, he's pulling hard too. All right, all right. I'll take that all day long. There. Yeah, nice fish. A lot of fight to him. Oh, there's one. There's one. It's funny, I was just about to give up on this lure here because I haven't been catching much, but got some weight to it. Oh yeah, look at her go. Way out there. Yeah. Come on, big girl. Yeah, she's coming now. Coming in nice and straight too, so it doesn't get jammed up in my other all right, get back over here. Nice size fish here. All right, yeah, another one in the boat. Another one in the boat. Oh, there's one. I think that's a nice one. Feels like a nice one. Come on in. Not putting up much of a fight now. Hopefully it's a spot, but it looked like it was when it jumped. Yeah, that's a spot. Nice spot. There we go, quick release. Quick release, I'll take that. There you go. There's one. I was thinking I was going to catch one here. There's a nice sandbar that comes out and the fish kind of huddle up in this little pocket. I need to keep this thing running because of the wind. Oh, surprised it didn't come loose there. Yeah, the wind's picking up. It's super humid out. So. All right, little spot. Little spot. Jeez, I wonder if I snagged them. All right, back in the water you go. Fish on. Oh, it feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. I'm actually gonna have to keep moving because this is gonna push me right into the shore. Like I said, it's really a two-person job. Ah, look at that thing go. Hopefully it's good. Feels like a good spot. Not ready to come in yet. Looks like it's going to cross all my lines. Hopefully it stayed underneath, but we'll see. Yeah, looks like a nice spot. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we'll take these all day long. Yeah, nice. It's a nice spot right there.